In this video, you will learn how to define surface and network points to report time series results from the 2D and 1D hydraulic models. The list of the points to be reported is saved in a file that will be used by simulation modules. The surface point list file is read by the basing module and the networks point list by the drainage network module. In the OpenFlows FLOOD toolbox, we have one tool for each. Start with the surface points. Let's run the Create Time Series in Grid Location tool. It will call a grid data to be served as a source. And you can select the predetermined list of points in data source. This data can be created previously with another tool called Create XY Points Layer, or by importing an external XML file with point location. In this example, I will demonstrate how to select the points directly through the tool, holding the control function button, and as a best practice, give a good name for them. Set a time step for time series report under DT and a max number of points in max buffer. This tool will save a .dat file, and there is a secondary option to generate an XML file in case you want to see those points on map. Hitting the Save button, select the folder to be saved. As another best practice, save that file in a folder within domains directory. It will help when connecting the simulation module to this file. Closing this tool, seeing now the creation of the drainage network point list, we have a similar view, but now with an option to select the drainage network instead of a grid data. The rest of the configuration is the same. Having both .dat files created and saved in a folder within domains directory, we can now jump to the basing module and define the file path where we have the time series output list. And the same for the drainage network module. With this and the rest of the modules done, running the simulation, the time series output will be listed in the Explorer under the time series file. To see how to set up a whole simulation modules, please see our tutorial guides on our Bentley communities page or on Bentley Learn Server page. Check also our video to see how to extract time series graphs. Thank you.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.